Hello, today I'll show you how to enable damage numbers in Wukong the Black Myth. First, go open the main menu by pressing the escape button, and then navigate into the settings. In the settings, go into the gameplay section, navigate to the HUD subsection, and it should be right around here. You can toggle damage numbers on, and it will always enable show the display of the damage next to the enemies that you will damage. It is quite useful for the min-maxers of us, amongst us that want to have a bit more knowledge about how they do in the midst of a fight. When you're happy, simply press return, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.